Hey, this is Nick with Obsessed Garage and welcome to OG Academy. Today, I wanted to show off a product that really surprised us, not only with how much we found ourselves using it, but also its incredible performance. That's the Ego 18-inch misting fan. Ego is well known for making some of the best battery-powered yard tools on the market. We here at OG specifically like their blowers quite a bit, so it was no surprise that their misting fan is also an excellent tool. You might be tempted to dismiss this as another addition to their lineup that they didn't put as much time or research into as they did the blowers, but I can assure you that's not the case. This fan has some seriously impressive performance, some creative and useful features in addition to its overall build quality. So as far as the fan itself goes, this is an 18-inch box-style fan with an integrated rolling cart and telescoping handle. Additionally, it has the 4 misting heads on the front and the pickup tube in the back. Ego claims this has twice the output of a traditional 20-inch box fan with speeds from 1500 CFM all the way up to 5000 CFM. There are 5 levels of adjustment for the fan head itself, as well as a turbo button if you just want the maximum output. Additionally, there are 2 settings for the misting, one for a constant stream and one for a pulsing stream. The integrated hatch keeps the battery safe from water and debris, so there's no need to worry about damage to the battery itself. So let's take this thing outside and show you what the misting looks like. So to start the misting, we'll grab our pickup tube off the back and place it into a bucket of water. We'll then turn the fan on. I like to have it on a setting over 4 just to ensure that it properly blows the mist everywhere. The tips on the front will atomize enough, so you could have it on setting 1. Once the fan is running, I'll just press the fan misting button and then the tube will start to prime. Once the tube is fully primed, you'll hear the pump kick on and then you can see the mist coming out of the front. You might be worried about battery life, but you absolutely shouldn't be. With a 5 amp hour battery, you can run this fan on its lowest setting for 60 hours straight. That being said, you're probably not going to be running the fan on its lowest setting all the time, so depending on the battery you use, I would estimate you'll get anywhere from 6 to 12 hours of use out of this fan. The Ego misting fan has excellent performance, and it's something we find ourselves using way more than we ever thought we would. You can get the Ego misting fan and the batteries in our store at obsessedgarage.com. And as always, if you have any questions, let us know down in the comments or reach out directly at support@obsessedgarage.com.